Ever wondered why cracking knuckles feels so satisfying? It's not your bones, but tiny gas bubbles bursting within your joints. When you pull or bend your fingers, you create negative pressure in the synovial fluid that fills your joint capsule. This sudden change in pressure causes dissolved gases in the fluid to form bubbles, and when those bubbles collapse, they produce that unmistakable popping sound. Scientists have even captured this process on video, revealing the rapid formation and collapse of these bubbles. So next time you hear that satisfying pop, remember it's a microscopic gas explosion happening right beneath your skin, a natural phenomenon that's been mystifying and amusing us for generations.